This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Auxiliary drive belt renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the passenger's footwell. Lift the bonnet slightly. Pull the safety catch forwards. Raise the bonnet and release the bonnet prop from its clip. Engage the bonnet prop to support the bonnet. Chock the rear wheels. Using the special anti-theft bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jackhead under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Prise up the centre pins and lever out the plastic expansion rivets each side of the undertray. Undo the torque screws and remove the deflector at the front of the undertray. Remove the torque screws at the front edge of the undertray. Undo the screws at the rear edge and slide the undertray forwards, noting how it engages with the subframe. Remove the tray from under the vehicle. Using the adapter provided in the vehicle toolkit, slacken and remove the locking wheel nut, then remove the remaining nuts and remove the right-hand front wheel. The wheel arch liner is secured by two different fasteners. To remove the plastic expansion rivets, prise up the centre pins and lever the rivets from place. The remaining fasteners are torque screws. Remove the fasteners from the rear, front and inner sections of the liner. Don't forget the two rivets securing the liner to the bumper. With all the fasteners removed, manoeuvre the wheel arch liner from place. Pull the rubber cover from the centre of the crankshaft pulley. If the belt is to be refitted, mark the normal direction of rotation. Using a 15mm spanner, rotate the belt tensioner clockwise and lock it in place using a suitable drill bit. With the tensioner locked in place, remove the drive belt. Locate the belt around the pulleys, ensuring the belt ribs locate correctly in the pulley grooves. If the original belt is being refitted, observe the direction of rotation marking. Withdraw the locking drill bit and allow the tensioner to rotate anti-clockwise, tensioning the belt. Using a spanner on the crankshaft pulley bolt, rotate the engine twice in the normal clockwise direction of rotation, checking that the belt is correctly located. Press the rubber cover back into the centre of the crankshaft pulley. Manoeuvre the wheel arch liner back into position and secure it with the various fasteners. Refit the right-hand front road wheel and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Remove the prop from the bonnet, then clip the prop into the storage bracket and close the bonnet. Position the tray under the vehicle. Engage the undertray with the subframe each side. Then refit the rear screws and tighten them securely. Fit and tighten the front screws securely. Refit the front deflector and tighten the retaining screws. Refit the plastic expansion rivet each side, then press the centre pins down to secure them. Locate the wheel over the hub studs, then refit and lightly tighten the wheel nuts. Then raise the vehicle. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque. Tighten to 133 Newton meters.